Every day we have stuff in our nose. We need to blow and wipe our nose to keep it clean. We do this by using a tissue, then washing our hands with soap and water to stay clean and healthy.
Achoo!
Bless you, Zack.
Thank you.
Uh-oh, Zack just sneezed and his nose is running. What should he do? Let's help Zack make the best choice. Remember what you need to do to stay healthy and clean.
Ew!
That doesn't seem to help the problem. Let's try again.
Ew!
That doesn't seem to help the problem. Let's try again. Great! Zack remembered to use a tissue to blow his nose and is practicing good health and hygiene.